Hey, Chris out here at the office in Citrus Heights. Hey, we're gonna go take a look at a project we're installing right now. Now we've already torn out all the countertops, appliances, sinks, flooring, everything, you name it. Today we're gonna install new custom cabinetry. I think you're gonna like what you see. Let's go.
Well, long before these cabinets even arrived, there's a lot of design and planning that has to take place with us and the homeowner. And then the cabinets can be built, finally brought out for install to be done by our skilled team of craftsmen.
Well, it's about 3:45 and I don't see any cabinets left in that trailer. So let's go inside, take a look where we're at. And boy, these guys work fast.
Now all the cabinets are in place. Now comes all the finish work, the adjustments, fine tuning, and of course cleaning. I love these soft close doors. Of course, all the drawers soft close as well. Real wood boxes too. Knotty finish, spectacular. Now the next step will be custom measuring and custom fabricating their countertops, and I'll make a video for you on that. In the meantime, have a reliable day.